next residency look is the Matte Latte makeup. A warm, monochrome, sunlit look with warm browns and soft caramel tones. It's perfect for daily wear. The mood here is effortless, bronzed and chic. You can apply the matte primer with your fingers. It does really soften the skin, blur pores, really gliding on the skin. I'm gonna use Phyto-Teint Perfection in shade 5N. It's a perfect neutral shade for skin. I like this type of brush because it does blend amazingly well the foundation. What I like with this concealer is that the color is a bit orange and it does brighten very well around the eyes, especially on matte skin. Give yourself a smile in the mirror to know where you're going to place this blush. Try to saturate your blush in the top of your powder, then tap to remove the excess. This look was all about mattes, so you can really powder well the face. This matte texture blends beautifully well, which is not common for matte eyeshadows. Place the darker shadow at the outer corner of the eye and use the lighter shade as a base just to make the eyes look bigger and pop out even more. For a bigger eye look, you can also apply on the lower lash line. First, use the comb to brush your eyebrows up to blend the lines you've created. I like the fact that this color looks quite nude and at the same time gives a lot of definition to the lip contour. I'll use this beautiful matte mousse in the center of the lips and keep the liner a bit more defined on the corners. I really wanted to fight that misconception of saying that matte skin isn't luminous.